Shana, where are you, bacha? Oh, and what are you gonna get here? Turkey?
This is an example of a turkey. Take your punches like that. Now.
Okay, let's go get the turkey thing.
Oh, that looks like you.
It's over here. Hey, look, there are some hats over there. Hey, they are giving out a sample of the pecan pie.
I hate peacock pie.
Romir, that is not nice. Don't use that word, please.
I want to see any sample. Two.
That may be too big for you. Hey, that looks like mommy's hat. What? What happened? Sine, put on your hat, bacha. No, that is our hat, bacha. Put it on. Okay. Isn't that too big for you, baby? But you look so cute.
That looks like nothing.
And that's a girl's hat from here. Okay, let's go. The turkey's over there. Okay, are you done trying the hat, bacha? Can we go and check out our turkey dinner?
Yeah.
Okay. Mommy, don't lose your hat, bacha. Hey, what is that? Oh, it's kind of a top. What does it do? No, you have to press it and it will go round. Something like that, yeah. Well, don't you have a lot of Beyblades already? Okay, Romir, bacha, Romir, listen. Romir, can you please keep it in there? Okay, thank you, Shania. Romir, we are sitting on the floor, bacha. The floor is dirty, Romir, the floor is dirty. Okay. Okay. Romir, be a good boy. Listen to daddy, please. Can you keep it inside? Romir. Romir, you're not listening to daddy, right? I want you to keep it back in that. We are not getting that. Thank you for listening to daddy. Go. Yeah, are you 3 years old? Look. Okay, go pick your turkey, Romir. Here is the thing. We are not here to buy toys, okay? Thank you. Come, let's go. I don't know. Okay, come on, bacha. Where is your hat? Shania, baby, come on, let's go, bacha. We're getting late.
I'm hungry.
Hey, you just ate dinner. Shania, please come. Shania, come on, bacha. You wanna try that pecan thing, or I don't know what that is. That is a chip. Yeah. But that's not what we are getting.
What's this?
Pita chips. Okay, wait, I'll give you one. Here. Here. Go.
Oh.
Okay, let's go. Come fast. We need to pick the turkey. Turkey. Okay, here we are. Look. There's a big turkey. Or we can get the small meal like this. There's a turkey meal.
No.
There's big potato. It's a mushroom gravy.